Hey, hi friends. In this video, have a look on the question what is a bird? You might have seen an animal with wings, bill, feathers, and of course, it's a warm-blooded animal. You can see the bill and its types, the feather and its types. You might have also seen some birds around you in your surroundings which do not fly. They are flightless birds, like this one. Do you know its name? If so, comment. Some are really beautiful, like this groundnut pigeon. Also, we do have this one seen in movies, also this one which you would like to have.